Hey all maths enthusiasts there, I am Guneet and welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks, the go-to place for all maths things. If you're new around here, please hit the like, subscribe and share button and join a mathematical journey. Now grab your pencils and notebooks for another topic, that is multiplication using crisscross. Now in this method, we can multiply any two-digit number without considering any base. Now let's understand by taking examples. So in this method, we can multiply any two-digit numbers. Now here we are multiplying 66 by 94. So first of all, we'll find out the number of partitions. So now the total number of digits are 4 over here. And we minus 1 from it, we get 3. So we have to make 3 partitions. Now first we'll arrange the numbers in a certain order. So 66 and 94 like this. Now we make 3 partitions, which will be 1, 2 and 3. Now, in the first partition, we multiply the numbers like this, 6 multiplied by 9. And in the last partition, we multiply the last two numbers, which are 6 multiplied by 4. And in the second partition, we multiply the numbers diagonally and add them. That is 6 multiplied by 4 plus 9 multiplied by 6. So 9 6 are 54. Now here 24 plus 54. Which gives you 78 and 6 4s are 24. So now write the numbers like this, 54, 78 and 24. Now leaving the first partition, we need to have single digit in all the other partitions. So this 2 will go and add up over here and this 7 will go and add up over here. So we get 4, 2 plus 8 gives you 10. So 0 over here and 1 over here. 4 plus 7 gives you 11 plus 1 gives you 12. So 2 here and 1 here. 1 plus 5 gives you 6. So 6204 is the answer. Now let's understand more questions. So here the next question is 41 multiplied by 19. So here also first of all we'll find the total number of partitions. So how do we find it? We subtract 1 from the total number of digits. So the total number of digits here are 4 and we minus 1, so we get 3. Now we'll arrange the numbers in certain order like this, 41 and 19. Now we'll make 3 partitions and here we'll multiply first two numbers in the first partition, that is 1 multiplied by 4, and last two numbers in the third partition, that is 1 multiplied by 9. And in the second partition, we multiply the numbers diagonally and add them. That is 4 multiplied by 9 plus 1 multiplied by 1. So 4 ones are 4, 9 ones are 9, and here 4 plus 9 gives you 36 plus 1, which gives you 37. Now we'll arrange the numbers like this. Now, we need single digit in second and third partition. So this 3 will go and add up over here. So we get 9, 7, 3 plus 4 gives you 7. So 779 is the answer. Now let's take the third and the last example, that is 57 multiplied by 62. Here also the number of digits are 4. So 4 minus 1 gives you 3. So the total number of partitions are 3. Now arrange the numbers 57 and 62 like this. Now make 3 partitions. Now in the first partition 5 multiplied by 6. In the last partition 7 multiplied by 2. And in the second partition 5 multiplied by 2 plus 6 multiplied by 7. So 5 6 are 30. And 7 2s are 14. And in the second partition 10 plus 42. So we get 52. Now arrange the numbers in the partition. So we need single digit in second and third partition. So we'll do the chain addition. This one will go and add up over here and 5 will go and add up over here. So we get 4. 1 plus 2 gives you 3. 5 plus 0 gives you 5 and 3. So 3534 is the answer. This method of multiplication is the easiest and the safest method to use in Vedic math for any 2-digit by 2-digit multiplications. I hope you've understood this method, and I again request you guys to please hit the like, subscribe and share button to motivate us to make more such learning content for you guys, and please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.